You want to see it, Bo?
Yeah.
60. Come on, sucker.
Oh, Kurt just loves that harpoon.
It's a perch.
Nice.
Want to see him? Okay. Oh, that's cute, Jess.
Isn't it?
That's such a little guy, ain't you?
That's bigger than the one I had yesterday. Pistachio.
They're really big size.
Hey, Cody, it's okay.